welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, let me just introduce myself to you people. I am Rubal and I make videos related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. And if you are following me for a very long time, then you must have already known that I always promote brands which are herbal and organic, and I always suggest you guys more DIYs, home remedies and natural way of taking care of your skin and body. I do not promote any chemical based product because they are just temporary and they will give you results on a temporary basis. For the long run, they are going to harm your skin. So if you're looking for any product for your skin, then I would recommend you to please choose herbal products, because they will work slowly but in the long run they are going to do wonders to your skin. So in this video I am going to talk about a brand which I have recently got to know about. I really like that brand because they make handmade products and all the products they make are herbal, and all of the ingredients they have disclosed are very good for your skin. So I am talking about a brand called Dega, and by looking at their amazing reviews I thought of get my hands on these products. I just wanted to share with you few products which I have tried till now and show you what they are and also my opinion about them and the price point of view, everything related to this brand. So let's get started and see what I have got for you guys. Starting off with hair, so I got this Dega hair growth oil which is of 100 ml. This retails for I believe 600 rupees for 100 ml, and if you will purchase 200 ml bottle of this, you will get extra discount. The best part of this hair oil is that it's for hair growth, and the ingredients which I mentioned out here is coconut oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, rosemary, vitamin E oil, khaskhas oil, fenugreek curry leaves, and everything which is written out here, all the ingredients are very good for your hairs. I have used it twice and you can see I have used this much of quantity for shoulder length hair. And guys, you just need a very less amount and it is going to spread all over your scalp because of this root applicator which they provide separately. And this fragrance of this oil is like that herbal organic coconut oil which our dadis and nanis used to put on our hair during our childhood. And the color of this hair oil is red, as you can see right here. I was going through a problem of hair fall recently, and when I use it I could see that in the first wash only I feel that very less amount of hair came out, and also my hair feels very soft after using this. So I really like it and I would really recommend you guys this product if you are looking for something for your hair growth and to improve the texture of your hair. Other products which I got is for skincare and lip care. So starting off with skincare, I got this Dega face pack rose and muletti, which is for skin brightening. If you'll see the texture of this face mask, the texture is very grainy with very fine particles. This is not going to be harsh on your skin, but this is a very mild exfoliator. The fragrance of this is like crushed rose petal. I can clearly smell this crushed rose petal in this one. When I use it I feel very refreshing because of rose petal in it, and you can actually use it with milk, you can use it with gulab jal or dahi. You can mix any of the thing with this and apply on your face. The ingredient which is out there is native rose grains, muletti, oatmeal, skin cherishing essential oils. I have used this face pack only once, but the difference I can make out in single use is that my skin feel very refreshed. Other than that, in the first use I haven't experienced anything else, but I'm pretty sure that after looking at the reviews I can say that this muletti and rose face pack is very good, and in the long run it is going to give you a very nice skin texture. And this come in this glass bottle. It retail for 490 rupees for 200 ml of packaging, and the shelf life of this is 8 months. And guys, it came in this cardboard packaging which kept it really safe during transition. So I really like their packaging as well. The next product which I want to move on to, this Dega beautifying serum. This one is of 30 ml of packaging for 730 rupees with 8 months of shelf life. The ingredients which are there in it is organic moringa oil, bitter almond oil, baobab, kukui oil, watermelon seeds, khaskhas essential oil and grapeseed oil. So all of the ingredients are really good because almond oil contains vitamin E and A, and it is very good to retain moisture in your skin, which helps in preventing premature aging and also give good hydration to your skin. This baobab and kukui oil, which is very new words for us, but these oil are full of antioxidants and antibacterial properties, so they really help in dealing with any kind of fungal infection or any kind of acne prone skin, so they are very good for that. This face oil or face serum is oil based, as you can see, and pale yellow in color, and it is quite heavy on skin in this summer time, but you just need a teeny tiny bit of it. If you're oily skin person, then you just need a very less quantity of it and you're good to go. And I have really high hopes with this oil, and I'm using it on a daily basis since 1 week, and I could definitely see a good glow on my face. So yeah, and it comes in this cardboard packaging as well, which makes it very safe during transition. Last product which I got is this Dega beetroot lip balm. It retails for 290 rupees for 20 ml of packaging, and it comes in this aluminium bottle, which you can open by twisting it. And this is the lip balm. You cannot smell beetroot in it, but the first fragrance which I got after opening it is desi ghee. However, the ingredient doesn't contain desi ghee in it. The ingredients which are there in it is jojoba oil, avocado oil, almond oil, shea butter, beetroot extract, beeswax. Everything, like all the oils, are very good for your chapped lips. If you have chapped lips, then this is a very good lip balm. And beetroot extract used as a natural bleach, you can say, and it helps to get rid of that pigmented and black lips, and slowly and gradually, once you use it, you will get pink lips definitely. And yeah guys, it has a shelf life of 8 months as well, and it is a very different experience altogether using these products, because you feel satisfied from inside that you are giving good thing and good nutrients to your face, your skin, due to which your skin really feel healthy in the long run. And I feel that I am doing absolute justice to my skin by using these products. So yes, please do let me know if you like these products as well, and if you do so, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is vlog with Rubal. I will mention it down below in the description box. I will also mention the links of all the products which I got from this brand and their Instagram store, so that you can see the review of the customer and the results they got on their face. This is not a sponsored video, but I really wanted to share these products with you people, just to make you aware that there are many other brands which are underrated and very less popular, which are doing amazing job. One thing I just forgot to tell you, that this brand is Kerala based, so all of the products which I made are manufactured in Kerala. So yeah, that's all from my side. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.